and Peter Pan, rows 110 to 126 and 209 to 225. For the health, safety, and courtesy of everybody on board our tram, there is no smoking, vaping, or e-cigarettes. These trams are prone to sudden acceleration, hard braking, sudden turns, hold on to loose objects. Small children falls, let it go, and alert me here at the back of the next stop. Make arrangements to get the back through swiftly and safely. Please sit back, hold on tight. Driver, we are clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated. The doors closed. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty guys, welcome back aboard your Heroes for the Tram. We are a Heroes Tram going back out to Peter Pan and Simba. Full of things, friends. As you're looking to exit our parking lot, you're going to follow the large white arrows that will lead you to the one and only exit. Additionally, please also follow our safety speed limit, which is 15 miles per hour. If you have any car trouble, such as you cannot find it, you locked your key inside of it, or it will not start, just come back to the floorboards where we drop you off and look for the closest cast member. If you can't find any of us, look for the Disney security vehicle, one of the parking lot on the driver's left. That is the Disney security vehicles. They circulate our parking lot in those white SUVs with green nail lights on the top, mark security across the door. Any of the cast members you find will be more than happy to assist you to the best of our abilities. Now, friends, we're going to be making one stop and one stop only in the middle for all rows on both sides. For Simba and Peter Pan, once again in the middle of all rows on both sides for Simba and Peter Pan. Before we do make that full and complete stop, our driver's going to go down and make one final U-turn. We do take this U-turn a whopping 5 miles per hour, so continue to hold on to those loose objects and small children. These trams are still prone to sudden acceleration, hard braking, and sudden turns. And then, friends, when we do make our full complete stop, we're going to have all of Simba, rows 110 to 126 on the driver's left, and then all of Peter Pan, rows 209 to 225 will be on the driver's right. If it looks backwards right now, that's because it is, because we do have to make that U-turn, so just remain seated, holding on to those loose objects and small. Once again, just wait for the full and complete stop of the tram. Alrighty, friends, we are making that U-turn. Once again, when we stop, all of Simba rows 110 to 126 will be on the driver's left, and all of Peter Pan rows 209 to 225 will be on the driver's right. You will be able to exit out either side. Both doors will work. We do just ask that you take any strollers or wheelchairs that you may have all the way behind those green color poles before setting those items up for your safety. Driver, we're clear to turn. Once again, guys, just wait for that full and complete stop. Wait for the stop, please. Alrighty, guys, there we are. Simba to the driver's left, 110 to 126. Peter Pan to the driver's right, 209 to 225. Push up on